Suncoast Center for Finescale Modeling is now open for visitors. So we're going to have a short video on my visit there on Saturday. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And on Saturday, March 20th, we made a couple of stops, and one of them was Suncoast Center for Finescale Modeling in Odessa, Florida. So if you're ever north of Tampa on the third Saturday of the month, all the way up through September, you'll be able to see their open house. Now, this is the first time that they've been open for over a year. We went up there after a train show. So this first video, I'm going to have more than one video, go figure, is just basically a walk around to show you what they have and some of the new items that they have there. So let's get started with that right after these words. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ding that bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. As you walk in the door of the main display area, they put up a view block that guides you either to the right or the left, which blocks the view of the magnificent trestle that they have in their FN30 modular layout Sundance Central. Now I'll show you that part right here. You can see one of the sections of the view block in the background. In previous years, that view block was displayed in another area of the room, and it was in front of Finescale Model Craftsman kit that was donated years earlier. The last time I was here, this O-scale layout was still in the back room, and we were lucky enough to get a sneak peek at it while they were still building it. Walking down this first aisle, I see a few more military displays and some interesting dioramas, but I can't pass up getting some train action. I have to stop and get some shots here of Muskrat and Ramble. I just can't pass that up. It's amazing how these modelers can reproduce a photo and build a diorama from it. On the right is Silverton Central. I'll have more on that layout in the next video. I'll show some close-ups of the backdrop and narrative by John Addison. Fighter pilot as their head turns. There you go. Some of the animations here were provided by Laurie McLean. Well, you know, I can't pass up a train coming by. Well, that's about all I'm going to do today. We got to see a lot of stuff here. They made some changes, and John Addison was here. I got to talk to him for a little bit. He did an amazing job on his backdrops. And you can see the Lake Erie module that they have back over there. Right here. Last time I saw it, it was in the back room, unfinished. So it looks amazing now. So we're going to call it a day and maybe hit Culver's for lunch and head on out. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll go down to Plant City on the way home. And we'll leave this in the background right there. Bye-bye. Okay, this is just going to be a voiceover, so blah, 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 blah. All right, you don't need to see my face here. Okay, so anyway. Stop recording.